viewers, I hope all of you guys safe and healthy. Today I am back with another useful tutorial on UGNA customization. A lot of designers struggle with the drafting line thickness and its color. I wish I will show a easy and efficient way to deal with it. Please watch this video till the end to understand this method in a pro level. For that I have a die casting die. I am taking out its insert. Okay, I am moving to the drafting application. For that I am pressing Ctrl Shift B and I am moving to a template. I am choosing a bigger template. Okay. And you can choose whichever, and this trick going to apply mainly on your standard. So here there is no role of a template here. Okay, and I am taking a view. Okay, here I'm gonna place a base view. Here you can see I get a default blue color. Okay, to change it I need to go to the setting, visible line, and here I can change a type of line. So I'm changing it to original. I'm not changing it, and here I'm changing a color of visible lines. Okay, I'm changing a yellow color, and for hidden lines I'm changing it to dash line type, and I'm choosing a green color. Okay, when I click apply, I'll get my visible and hidden lines are changed. Okay, when I take a projected view by the help of this base view, I get a same property of a line. Okay, this is a standard practice. This is not a trick, this is a standard practice. But the problem comes whenever you change whenever you place a new view, you have to change it every time. This is a problem. Okay, here I deleted the main view and I'm changing it again and again. Okay, so this is a problem. For that I have a solution. I don't have a solution. The next has a solution. So for that you need to go to standard, drafting standard. Okay, you will get a command here. To get that you get that shortcut. You should go to the customization and should type a drafting. Okay, third is a drafting standard. This is how to drag and drop on toolbar. Okay, as I already have it, I'm going to delete it and I'm dragging and drop it again. Okay, after getting it, we can choose any of the standard. Okay, WindyCAD is my own standard which I created. So I'll show how I'll it will help to whenever I place a new base view. Okay, in WindyCAD standard I'll get a same yellow color and green color of lines. Okay, hidden color is in green and border line is in yellow. Okay, I will show how to create a custom standard which I created. Okay, for that you should go to utilities, customer default, and go to the drafting. Okay, and in drafting, under the drafting we'll get a standard. Go to the standard and in the standard you will find a drafting standard. Okay, the same drop down list which I shown you earlier, which is showing here. The ASME is a default standard. Okay, by going ASME you can change all the dialog boxes. I'm for sake of example I'm going to change a few. In the text parameter I'm going to change green. Okay, I have already made a one, and I'm just showing for a sake of example here. I'm changing all the colors, and you can change a width of a line, you can change a type of a line. Okay, here I'm changing the thickness of the line. Width means thickness of the line. Okay, same way you can check out all the parameters here, and you can change it accordingly. Okay, and main you have to change visible line and hidden line. Okay, that I will show you. Okay, here in a common drop down list you can find a visible line. Okay, you change a similar way how you change in a setting, line setting. So here I am selecting a dark blue and changing the width of a line. Okay, for a hidden line I'm selecting a green. Okay, and I'm gonna change a, okay, I'm not going to change anything. I'll click a save as and I'll type a test dash vindicate. This is going to be your new custom standard. Okay, I'll click OK and I'll press cancel. Here you can find a new custom drafting standard in the name of test dash vindicate. To check it, I'm going to the drop down list in custom standards and I'm selecting apply. To check it, I'm taking a new base view. Okay, you can see we have got our own custom lines. I hope this video gonna help you at your workplace. If you have any suggestion or any doubts, please comment below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share among with your friends.